Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhishek. I welcome you to this semester. I hope you all are safe at your home and spending the very nice time with the family. We all know that changes are the rule of life. This time, many things have been changed, and we are doing well with this. So, I guess that we will do well with this study also. So, I would like to discuss that my subject name is career skills. So I am writing the name, my subject name is career skills. So why what is this career skills and why we study career skills? These two things we understand first, right? And later on we start with the topic, right? Okay. So my first question is, why this career skills with you and what is this career skills? So there are two questions, and my answer is, if our first question why is clear, then we can understand what is there in the career skills more easily, right? So we first try to understand why this career skills with you, right? So the answer is placement from college or placement from any outsourcing company, I depending upon you, and saving our career. Okay, why this? Because placement, every student that is studying in any university need the placement, and if not placement, so everyone wants to save his or her career. So for placement and this thing, career skills is pretty much required. Okay. Apart from this placement, like if we are preparing for the government jobs, so career skills play a very vital role. Whatever we study in career skills is going to be used in government jobs. Like if we talk about government jobs, there are particular sections like quant is there, reasoning is there, verbal is there, GS is there, computer knowledge is there, and many more things depending upon the exams. So if you are good at career skills, you can think about government job also, right? Okay. My next question is, what is this career skills? So as I discussed, like if we are good in career skills, we can go for government jobs. There are certain things in career skills, like first of all, the things that is there is reasoning, right? Then quant, then verbal, and then soft skills. These all four things are there with the career skills, or we can say that career skills is an encapsulation of these four things, right? And these four things are pretty much required. You have to learn for making the career safe and secure. So this semester, in third semester, we are going to start with the reasoning part, right? And next semester probably we are going to the quant, verbal, soft skill, and so on and so forth, depending upon the need and depending upon the time. Okay, so this semester we are going to start with the reasoning. Now what is reasoning? Reasoning is a subject that checks our analytical skills. Now what is this analytical skills? What is your ability to analyze the things, right? Okay, so I am writing that your ability to analyze is the career skills, is the reasoning, right? Okay, so in what topics you have to analyze your ability? I am writing the topics here, I am writing the units here that you are going to study in the entire semester. So my first topic is blood relation. My second topic is sitting arrangement. Third topic is grouping and team formation. My fourth topic is coding and decoding. Thereafter we have direction sense. Thereafter we have syllogism, and the last topic we have is data interpretation. Right, so I have written 7 topic here. Those 7 topics we are going to study in this semester, and literally very important, very enjoyable. Okay, one thing I would like to discuss about the reasoning, like in reasoning you have to analyze all these things and working on the arrangement parts, like working on the arrangements part. What does it mean that you have to work on arrangement part? The meaning is very simple, that in mathematics, this is very different from mathematics. In mathematics you have to solve the question, you have to use some formula, and in the formula you have to find out some value, you have to do some calculation and finally find out the answer. But here you don't have to calculate anything, you have to just analyze the things and make the arrangements. Like in blood relation, arrangement, sitting arrangement, grouping and team formation, arrangement, coding and decoding, arrangement, direction sense, also syllogism also, and data interpretation, arrangement, but some part of the calculation is there in data interpretation, right? Okay, so I start with the first topic, that is blood relation, right? Okay, so when we talk about the topic blood relation, the first thing that comes in our mind, blood, that is the blood that is circulating in our body, and relations, right? Relationship is there that we build with someone. So blood relation, that means relationship with someone that is based on the blood, that means in a family. Okay, so topic name is blood relation. So first of all I would like to discuss that how many types of questions are there and why this topic blood relation is important, why I am taking the topic blood relation in the beginning, right? Okay, so my first thing is why I am taking this blood relation in the beginning, because the second topic that I am going to take, that is sitting arrangement. In sitting arrangement, some part of blood relation is going to use. So if you are studying the blood relation from the best of your knowledge, it will help you in doing the question of sitting arrangement. And obviously in sitting arrangement, it is it is an individual topic, and if you are good you can score well in the exam, right? Okay, so in blood relation, how many types of questions are there? My first type is statement based questions, right? Statement based question. What will be there in this type of question? You will be given with the statement, and by reading the statement you have to find out that how two people are related with each other, right? Okay, and my second type of question is based on the equation, right? Equation. Here also you have to make an arrangement, but you will be given an equation based on the plus, minus, multiply, divide, percentage, dollar, at the rate, or etc. Whatever the symbol you can think about, you will be given an equation based on the symbols, right? And you have to finally find that how two people are related with each other, right? Okay, and third type of question is based on the set or directions. In third type of question you will be given with a number of directions, like you can be given with 4, 5 or 6 directions. You have to study all the directions carefully and finally make the arrangement, right? Once the arrangement has been made, you can do the question more easily, right? So I would like to discuss that in statement based, equation based and set and direction based, in all type of question, the very important thing that is to be understand, like you have to work upon the arrangement part. Okay, so I am writing the arrangement. Okay, so my question is, what is this arrangement and how the arrangement will be made and how to get start with the arrangement, right? Okay, so if we are learning that how to make the arrangement, it is very important to understand that blood relation tree. What is this blood relation tree? Blood relation tree is nothing but if we try to put all our relation in a tree like structure, so how can we put? Okay, one condition is there that we have to put all the relations, all the relationship generation wise in the tree like structure, right? So you can try at your home also, and I am just showing you, if I am asked to put all the relationship in a tree like structure generation wise, so how I can put, right? Okay, okay, so a tree or any arrangement in blood relation always start with I. Always start with I, right? And if I try to put all the relations, all the relationship related to I, right? So I can write as brother, sister, cousins, niece, cousins, brother-in-law, and sister-in-law. So these are the relations that can be put in one generation. Like my brother will be of same generation, sister will be of same generation, all my cousins will be of same generations, brother-in-law and sister-in-law will be of same generation. Okay. One more important thing that is to be understand here, like whenever I have to make like brother, sister, cousin, apart from couple, so I will join by the straight line in all the arrangements, right? If I am in the same generation, if I go one generation above or one generation below, then the things will be changed. Like if I go one generation above, so one generation above the people can be mother, father, right? Uncle, aunt, mother-in-law, father-in-law, right? So these can be the people one generation above. Okay, let us discuss. Here we have joined each people with the straight line. No couple was there, but if I add one more thing in this generation, like if I add my wife, so it is very important to understand that just add the couple with a double sided arrow. Okay, try to implement the same in this one generation above. Mother, father is a couple, so I would add this with double sided arrow. Only couple, right? Father and uncle, single line arrow because it is not a couple. Uncle, aunt, this is a couple, so double sided arrow. Thereafter aunt and mother-in-law, single line. Mother-in-law and father-in-law, again double sided arrow, right? Okay, if I go one generation above from this, so the things will be changed based on maternal and paternal, right? Based on mother and father. The relationship based on mother is called as maternal, and the relationship based on father is called as paternal. Okay, so what can be there if we talk about grandfather and grandmother? So this can be maternal grandmother or maternal grandfather, right? Okay, and if I talk about the paternal grandfather and paternal grandmother, so this will be the relationship of father, based on father. Okay, based on maternal paternal, this can be uncle aunt also, because if we are talking about paternal uncle aunt, so this will be chacha chachi, or if we are talking about maternal uncle and aunt, so this can be either mausa mausi, right? Okay, now this is the time to discuss the people one generation below I, right? So the people one generation below I can be my son, my daughter, my niece, my nephew, right? So these are the people that we have discussed so far in the blood relation tree. Okay, one thing that is very important to understand that we have discussed is couple, right? We all know what is a couple, right? Couple is husband wife, and husband wife I have to draw with the double sided arrow, right? And couple can be called as spouse, right? So these are the things, blood relation tree, right? So this blood relation tree will help you in doing the question of statement based, equation based, on all set based. So friends, we start with the question. Okay, okay, so this time we are going to start with the questions, and the question will be from sheet. You can look at the digital board, and I am solving here. Okay, so my first question is based on the statement based questions, and the question will be like, you can study, like question is pointing out to a photograph, a man tells his friend that she is the daughter of only son of my father's wife. Then how is the girl in the photograph is related to the man? So friends, how to start with the arrangement? Like as I told you when I was discussing the tree, any arrangement you have to start with I, right? So I start with I. I have to start with I. Okay, so the statement is my father's wife. So my father, how I can build my father and father, my father's wife, that means my mother. And I have already explained that when I am making the couple, I will make by double sided arrow. Okay, my father's wife and only son of my father's wife will be I only, right? And the daughter of only son of my father's wife, then answer of this question will be daughter, right? So you can look at the option, like option is option number A. Okay, if I come to question number second, like question is pointing to a lady, a girl said she is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son. How is the lady related to the girl? So in this statement, if you look at my father's only son, so I can write it as my father's only son, that means I, and the grandmother of my father's only son, that means my father's mother, that means this will be my grandmother. Okay, thereafter she is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son. So my father's only son, that means I. Grandmother, that means my father's mother, and his daughter-in-law will be my mother. So in this question answer will be mother. You can look at option number B, right? Okay, if we come to question number 3rd, like question number 3rd is, if Kamal says Ravi's mother is the only daughter of my mother, how is Kamal related to Ravi? So in this question, Ravi's mother is the only daughter of my mother. So first of all, starting with I, my mother, this, and only daughter of my mother, this will be my sister, and my sister is Ravi's mother. So here this will be Ravi. Again I go with the statement. The statement is Ravi's mother is the only daughter of my mother. So I start with I, my mother, and my mother's only daughter, that means my sister, and my sister is Ravi's mother. So answer of this question should be niece, right? If we look at the options, available options, niece is not there, so answer will be D, right? Okay, so question number 4, like question is, if Neena says Anita's father Raman is the only son of my father-in-law Mahipal, then how is Bindu, who is the sister of Anita, related to Mahipal? Okay, in this question, first things to understand that how to make father-in-law. Achha, father-in-law is what? Father-in-law can be if I am a boy, my wife's father, and if I am a girl, my husband's father will be father-in-law. Okay, so assuming that the person who is doing the question is a boy, right? Okay, so my father-in-law Mahipal, how I can build this? My wife, that is a female, her father, that is Mahipal, right? My father-in-law Mahipal. Okay, thereafter only son of my father-in-law Mahipal will be the brother of my wife, that means here, right? Okay, Anita's father Raman, this Raman is Anita's father, so I can write Anita's father Raman. Okay, the question is, how is Bindu, who is the sister of Anita, related to Mahipal? So I have to write Bindu here. Bindu is the sister of Anita, related to Mahipal, so obviously Bindu will be granddaughter. If we look at the available options, so granddaughter is not there, and answer will be D, none of these, right? Okay, so coming to the next questions, like question number 5, the question is, pointing to a photograph, a man said, so question number 5 is, pointing to a photograph, a man said, I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son. Whose photograph is it? So I have no brother and sister, but that man's father is my father's son. So started with I, my father's son, that means my father, and his son is I. And I, who is I? I is that man's father, that means that man is his son, right? So answer of this question will be his own son. Okay, again we understand, like I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son. So man is this, man father is my father's son, that means that person will be his son, right? Okay, question number 6. Okay, so the question is, looking at a portrait of a man, Harsh said his mother is the wife of my father's son. Brother and sister I have none. At whose portrait was Harsh looking? So the question is, his mother is the wife of my father's son. So first of all, I draw with I, my father's my father's son, my father's son, and wife of my father's son, that means my wife, and thereafter his mother, that means this is the son. Okay, whose son is this? This is my own son, right? So answer of this question will be his son, right? Okay, so friends, this was all about the today's session, where we discuss the syllabus, the topic blood relation, some question based on the first aspect where we were discussing the statement based questions. So in the next class we will go through some more question of statement based questions and other equation based and set based, and my assignment to you is that I am going to share some question based on the statements, and you have to do, right? You have to do on a paper, and later on I will tell you what is to be done of that paper, right? You have to just make the arrangement, right? Okay, thank you.